Guys, thanks for open my video. Guys, this game starts with the king pawn opening pawn e4, black play pawn e5, knight f3, knight c6 and bishop c4. This is called the Italian game. Then black play bishop c5. This is called the Giocopiano game. Okay, good. White complete his castling and black play pawn d6. He opened his light square bishop line. Then white play the same move pawn d3. Opened his dark square bishop line. This time black play the knight to f6. This is called the Giocopianissimo variation. And white quickly pinned this knight with his bishop. Black really does not like this. So he attacked this bishop by playing pawn a6. The bishop moves to the h4 square and it still pins black f6 knight. Then black attacks this bishop again by playing pawn f5. The white bishop only has one safe square and he goes there. In this situation of the game, black tries to create a trap by playing pawn h5 against white. Friends, look at the board and see that black g5 pawn is unprotected. As expected, white take this pawn with his knight. Oh my god, this created double attack on black weak f7 square. But black plays the pawn h4 instead of focusing on his weak f7 square. Now friends, look, the white bishop is trapped. But white said to black, okay, that's good, but I will take your major piece, queen or rook, because I have knight f7. Oh god, black is facing a great danger. But friend, continue the video, let's see what happened next. However, in such a situation, black, instead of saving his queen, captured the white g3 bishop. Then white happily take this black queen. Oh god, black sacrificed his powerful white darling. Very sad incident. But this time the black king did not kill his white killer. He also attacked the white queen with the bishop g4. Then white best move queen d2. In the next step, we saw knight d4. It threatening to check at any time on the e2 and f3 squares. Now if black plays pawn h3, then you play knight e2 check. The king goes to his only square. Then you play the dangerous move rook h3 check. The white king can't move, so just on move pawn takes rook. Friends, believe it or not, bishop f3 is checkmate. Guys, we are going back to a few steps ago. At this time, if black plays knight c3 and protect this e2 square, then you play knight f3 check and forking the white queen. Black king can't move because rook h2 is a checkmate. Going back, so only one move, pawn takes knight. Then bishop takes pawn with checkmate threat on pawn h2. So pawn takes pawn. But sorry guys, because rook h1 is a checkmate. Going back, here black can try to pawn h3. Then you will play and checkmate the same way as I am playing. Guys, go back and see better interesting variation. This is the main point of the game. Previously we have seen at this time black knight take this white queen and fails in her game because this crazy attack is waiting for white. So now I will show you what will be the problem if white take the pawn instead of the queen. Then queen d7, knight takes rook, next move queen h7 and attack this knight. Knight return to f7 square because this square is protected by the c4 bishop. Okay, good, but we have a knight g4. Oh my god, what a move. Next move, queen h2 is a checkmate. In fact, this is the best move of white this time. Queen takes knight. But if he does it, he will lose his queen. I hope everyone understands this. Because black have a light square bishop. So white does not do it and he play rook e1. Make some space for the king to move. Okay, good luck. Then queen h2 check, king f1, and at this moment of the game, black give a crazy move after which white is forced to resign. Yes, it's knight d4. Checkmate is waiting for white, which cannot be stopped in any way. He may try a few moves, but will eventually become checkmates. Guys, this video is end here. I hope you like this video. Definitely subscribe this Chess Dangerous YouTube channel and enjoy something the best. See you in my next video and always be healthy. Tata and bye bye.